how to make your ex jealous. That's right, I'm gonna give you 7 ways to make your ex regret that they ever broke up with you. Let's start with way number 1. We all know as soon as someone breaks up with you, or at least you should know, you wanna focus on your fitness, guys. That's right, let her see you working out, getting chiseled, getting those abs, getting that money, getting that success, whatever it is that's going on that's gonna light you up. But most importantly, your fitness game needs to feel on point. And not only that, it's gonna make you feel great. The endorphins will be running. You'll forget about the fact that she just broke up with you and she's gonna get jealous. Number 2, you wanna start spending more time with your friends. After all, you're not invested in her anymore. If you wanna make her jealous, you're not calling, you're not phoning, you are posting that you're out with the boys, you're having a boys' weekend, you're doing boys' things, okay? It's also going to help you heal your broken heart, and you wanna post all that fun. Not being like sad and mopey. She's probably thinking you have forgotten about her. That is going to drive her wild. Number 3, I strongly recommend you get a man over, a man makeover, and you manscape, all right? You wanna really upgrade your grooming game. And not only that, like us ladies, we do our hair, we get our massages, we get our mani-pedis. There is nothing stopping you from also enjoying the same treatment for yourself. Number 4, upgrade your personal style. That's it, fashion. Get that wardrobe. Lose the old ex-boyfriend clothes. Bring in something new, something flattering, something colorful, something that says, look at me, I am over you, even though you're not. But it is making a statement that you have moved on and you are looking to attract something new in your life, and that very much could be your ex. Now, you wanna also feel good and get those compliments from other women. And of course, you wanna post those things on social media. Number 5, continue to focus on being more successful. The more successful you are that she's not with you, the more it's gonna drive her wild. So maybe you didn't, quit that job that you complained about, or you didn't launch that business that you said you were always gonna do. So think about a new career, investing in yourself, coaching, life coaching, whatever it is, seek those new opportunities. Become a social media influencer. I don't know, but what you are going to do is you're going to be more interesting and you are going to change things up and focus on your success. Finally, you want to be a giver. Show her that you've got a great heart. So being a man of service is really important. Volunteer, do some great work. It also shows her that you are kind. Women love and have that soft spot for guys that are charitable, that are giving their time to other people. So that is definitely a way to get your ex jealous of you, okay? And then finally, the last tip that I wanna make is you want to make yourself a priority. All right, make sure that you are the focus of your day and that you are spending time doing things that make you happy. She's going to regret that because who would not want a fit, successful, handsome, well-rounded guy with a bunch of friends back? Like, who wouldn't want that? So making yourself a priority is so important, guys. I know you might be hurting from your relationship, but she's gonna regret breaking up with you if you practice all those things. And guess what? In doing that, you're actually gonna feel better. Who knows if you're gonna wanna have your ex back? Anyway, you might actually attract way more women into your circle than you've ever expected. All right, if you'd like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, please share. If you have other questions, let me know, and we'll see you in the next video.